tous, c'est Jean. Hello, today we're gonna continue the French pronunciation series, and last time we tried to pronounce English sentences with a French accent. It was fun, and I encourage you to do that. If you didn't listen to this episode, just click, it's just the previous episode. And now, today, it's a bit the same, but the concept is different. It's just with words. You know, we have a lot of common words in French and in English. When I say, for example, nation, we have nation in French. And they are the hardest words to memorize because they exist in our own language, and we have been, trained and programmed to make them sound a certain way. And now it changed. It's the same word, but it changed. Pronunciation is different. How comes? And it doesn't make sense for us. It's even harder than a new word, even though we know the meaning, and it's the same spelling, but pronunciation is completely different. And I would say that for French people, for English natives, it's the same difficulty that we face. The most difficult words for me, they are the words in English that they spell like in French. The meaning is pretty much the same, and I struggle because I've been trained to pronounce this word in French a certain way, and now it's completely different. And for me, it's not a big deal, but in English, it matters, the word stress matters. So now we're going to practice a bit this kind of difficulties. So I'm going to say words in French that are the same in English, but the pronunciation it's different, but the spelling is the same, okay? So you can repeat after me. Dose. Dose. Une dose. Voilà. Par exemple, une dose de médicaments, une dose pour la cuisine quand on fait des recettes. Ensuite, une note de musique, une note quand on va partir faire les courses, on va laisser une note à quelqu'un pour dire je suis parti faire les courses. Troisième mot, film. Un film. Ok? En français, in French, we have just one, I, the letter I. It's just one way to pronounce it. I. Okay, I. So we say film. Okay? Film. Okay? Donc un film d'action, un film d'aventure, etc. Quatrième mot. Lion. Un lion. Le roi lion, c'est un dessin animé très connu de Walt Disney. Le roi lion. Lion, lion. Ensuite, site. Site. Mais qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does it mean? Site. It's not to sit, it's not seat. It's site. Okay? So it's a site. A website or a site. Okay? Site. Un site. Un site internet. Ensuite, next word. Taxi. Taxi. Je vais appeler le taxi. Je vais réserver un taxi. Le taxi arrive. Ok? Le mot suivant. Next word. Fruit. Fruit. Un fruit. La pêche est un fruit. Ces fruits sont délicieux. Voilà. Hein? This is fruit. Mot suivant. Next word. Mobile. 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 Donc, mobile. Ensuite, next word. Hobby. 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 Un hobby. Donc, c'est comme un loisir. Hein? Hobby. Mot suivant. Karma. 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 Mot suivant, hôtel. 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 Okay? So you can see we have H here, hotel, hotel, hobby. And we don't pronounce it in French. It doesn't exist. When we have a H, it's silent. Always. When it's combined with a C, CH, yes, we pronounce it. Like chaise. But if it starts with an H, it's silent. We don't pronounce it. It doesn't exist. And that's why when French speaker, when we pronounce hello, we say hello, hello, you know, or yeah, it's like we we copy the pattern of French and the English version because we feel like they're the same words, you know, it's okay, but they're completely different. And that's where we struggle. Ensuite, un autre mot, another word, table. Table. Une table. Une table basse. Une petite table. Des jolies tables. Okay. It's also a trick when you learn vocab. You want to learn the word in context, especially when it's a noun and when it starts with a vowel, because they sound completely different. When there's an article, if it's singular, if it's plural. So if you have a word, you want to try to memorize it and create a context or sentences like singular, plural, with an adjective after to hear the connection. For example, table. Une table basse. Ça, c'est une table basse. But I can say une table orange. Blow, hein? The beat is here. Une table orange. Orange table. Une table orange. And it's really interesting. You will not say, you will not hear or expect to hear, you will not hear une table orange. You will hear une table orange. Okay? So that's important when you learn any word, any noun, any vocab, to pronounce it within a sentence, in a sentence, and with different article, you know. Sur la table, okay? Sur la table orange, sur les tables oranges, okay? Orange, the word orange. Les oranges, des oranges, 4 oranges, okay? 5 oranges, 5 oranges, cher, okay? Voilà. So that's it for today. I provide a list of words that you will practice. They are longer and longer. Okay, we start with one beat, like those, and we end, the last word is document. Document, you will see. So you try to pronounce this in a French way. You can help, you can use Google Translate maybe, or some text-to-speech software or app to check the pronunciation. Of course, I think it's useful. And I hope this will help you. If you have any question, just send me a message. And bon courage et à la prochaine fois.